The ground is uneven and the fog is settled low. I cannot trust the impulse of the feeling in my heart. I need a steady compass, a direction where to go, a path of righteousness to keep me set apart. The wisdom of the ages is captured in your word, a lifeline to the truth that must always be heard. I was easily distracted by the world's enticing gleam, until you showed me holiness, the deeper vital theme. I lift my empty hands and ask for holy truth, a sacred blueprint for the living of my days. May your perfect wisdom light the path of my youth, and keep my feet from walking in the world's false maze. I bow to the authority of the covenant you gave, the perfect guide and principle that eternally can save. I submit my flawed desires to the direction of your plan, a humble daily follower, a woman, not a man. Oh, you are God, the lamp unto my feet, the brightness I hold near, a bright lantern in the dark alley of my path. Your word is the provision that will never be exhausted, guarding my heart from stumbling and the coming of wrath, illuminating every turn, exposing every hidden root, ensuring that my walk produces sweet eternal fruit. The clarity I need is found within the perfect page, protecting me completely from the madness of this age. The weight of my decision often presses down on me. The endless noise of culture dictates what is right, but I find my resolution in the pages of your history, where your commandments are my armor and my saving light. I choose the discipline of reading and